Hey people, so we are at Sizzler, and this is in you could say Banjara Hills, and Ayush, take a bite and tell us how it tastes. And it's too hot, like actually, it's piping hot, and this is a cute place really. And oh yeah, this is how it looks. This is, they give us the option of choosing between rice and uh, noodles, but we chose rice because it is better for health, like noodles can have maida, right? So yeah, I mean, sizzler can be, it's quite filling, yeah. For, I mean, you could order one sizzler. This is for around 549, and one sizzler is good enough for two people. And I used to have some of the cutlet. This is good, like seriously good. Ayush, what's your opinion of it?
This is
Have some of the cutlet, please.
okay.
It's not too hot, sweetheart. You can take a bite. Okay, not hot. How's the cutlet?
8 on 10.
Really? So would you recommend this sizzling sizzler joint? Ayush? Yes, completely. 8 on 10. Cope Sizzler it is. This is in Banjara Hills, Hyderabad. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.